If you are using Visual Studio Code for your Flutter app development, then stick around because in today's video, I'm going to show you top 5 VS Code extensions that will supercharge your Flutter development. Ready? Let's go. On number 5, we have CodeSnap. You must have seen this kind of beautiful screenshots on social media website. But if you want to take one, then CodeSnap is the extension that can help you with that. It's super easy. Just go to the code. Open up command palette using keyboard shortcut Command Shift P. Select the CodeSnap option. And to take the screenshot, just highlight the code that you want to take screenshot of. You can see the preview of the image over here. And once you are okay with it, just click on this shutter button. Save the screenshot on your desktop. Let's open it. And here is our gorgeous image, perfect for sharing on social media and documentation. On number 4 is Better Comments. This extension lets us organize our comments using colors and symbols. Let's go to the main.dart. I have added a sample comment and this is how it's looking when the Better Comments extension is turned off. Now let's go to the Better Comments extension, turn it on, and as you can see the difference, our to-do comment, then the query, warning, everything is highlighted in different color code, making our comment easier to scan, especially in bigger projects. On number 3 is Awesome Flutter Snippets, and as the name suggests, this extension speeds up our Flutter development by eliminating the boilerplate code. For example, let's go to main.dart, and now to create the stateful widget, we can just type stateful, and this is the snippet that we'll be using. Hit tab, and as you can see, the template for creating the stateful widget is ready. We can just name that widget and it's now ready for use. Like this extension contains a lot of time-saving snippets for widgets, methods, and constructor. For complete list, you can visit this repo. I will also include link for this repo in the show notes below. So this is a must-have extension for building UI faster. On number 2 is ErrorLens, your new best friend for fixing bugs faster. Right now the extension is not installed, and to see how it works, let's go to main.dart. And currently there is an error in the main.dart file. Let's open up problem tab to view the error. And as we can see, the semicolon is missing on line number 5. Now let's install the ErrorLens extension. Now let's go back to the main.dart. And as you can see, that error is showing up directly in the code editor. And if I fix it, the error goes away. So I don't have to go to the problem tab to view the error and warnings. Those error and warnings show up directly in the code editor. It's like having a coach that points out our mistake as we type. And finally, on number 1 is pubspec.assist, an extension which lets you add or update dependencies in your Flutter or Dart project right inside your Visual Studio Code. Normally, to add a package to Flutter or Dart project, we go to pub.dev, copy the name and the version, go to Visual Studio Code, open up pubspec.yaml file and paste that under dependencies section like this. But while making this change, we have to make sure the indentation is right. Or we can just execute this command in the terminal to add this package to our project. But with pubspec.assist, it's very easy. Just open up the command palette using keyboard shortcut Command Shift P, search for pubspec, and here we get two important options: add or update dev dependencies and add or update dependencies. Let's select add or update dependencies. And here we have to enter the package name that we want to install. For example, let's enter HTTP, hit enter. And as you can see, the HTTP package has been added to our project with its latest version under dependencies section. And if you want to add a dev dependency, then again open the command palette using keyboard shortcut Command Shift P, search for pubspec, and this time select add or update dev dependencies. Let's install freeze package, hit enter, and as you can see, the freeze package has been added with its latest version under dev dependencies section. So with pubspec.assist, it's very easy to add a package to your Flutter or Dart project right inside your Visual Studio Code. No more YAML indentation errors. So there you have it, 5 powerful VS Code extensions to level up your Flutter development experience. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more awesome Flutter content. And comment below with your favorite VS Code extension or one I might have missed. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!